Nobody wants to admit this, but a lot of us have been blocking our blessings and we didn't even realize it. And it has nothing to do with the amount that you're journaling, nothing to do with those affirmations that may or may not be working, and it certainly has nothing to do with that vision board. At one point in time, we have all blocked our blessings. Let me show you how to fix that. So can I start off with a confession? Can we get real? Can we dive in and just get real off the bat? I used to be a very jealous and envious person. But I used to be heavily into the acting field. I'm still an actor, so to speak, but I don't really do it that much anymore. Back when I was going hard with acting, I would find myself feeling a way about seeing other people winning. I knew something was wrong with that. I knew it was ugly, but I would find myself being like, dang, how did they get that connection with that casting director in another state or in another state that's booming? And to be completely honest with you, I would find myself being like, dang, I would feel so much better. And I wasn't saying this, but I felt it, knowing that I would feel better if I knew that somehow they couldn't make that audition. How ugly is that? How ugly is that? I would have those thoughts harboring, and I knew that they were wrong. I knew that they were ugly, but I didn't know how to change it. I didn't know what to do about it. It was there, and I found myself praying one day. I found myself just being like, God, please just help me be genuinely happy for people when they win, because I knew the jealousy was it wasn't it. I knew it wasn't it. Some time goes by and then I stumbled upon this book. Let me grab it. This book that changed my life. I'll probably make a whole new video about the entire book, but there was one section in that book that just opened up my eyes completely. So the book gave you a scenario. Imagine you are at work and you've been doing the best that you can and someone else gets a promotion over you. You're starting to feel envious. You're starting to feel like that person doesn't deserve it, XYZ. So what the book says to do is to wish that person more. And I remember reading it being like, wish that person more. So that person that got that promotion over you, that person that got that job over you, the person who booked that role over you, the person who got the man over you, or woman, whatever, you need to wish them more. And at that point, I couldn't put the book down because I'm like, y'all gotta explain this to me. The person who got the promotion, you look at them and you say, you know what? I wish you more promotions. I wish you more relationships that are solid, that you expand in this company. I wish you all the dreams, all your aspirations, I wish they all come true. How do you genuinely say that? Because you gotta feel it. You can't just say it. We talked about affirmations before. If you ain't feeling it, it ain't going nowhere. This is where that book, I damn near fell off my seat when I read this. When you are looking at someone and you're kind of looking at all of the things that they may have that you feel like you should have or you are entitled to, you're coming from a place of lack. What is Law of Attraction 101? What you put out is what you get back. I'm reading this and I'm like, okay, that sounds good. Kuna Matata, kumbaya, cool, whatever. But this next section was when I was like, oh my God. Law of Attraction 101, we know what you put out is what you get back. What really helped me bring everything to the forefront, where I just got it and it clicked, is the book said, what you are wishing for other people, you are actually wishing for yourself. So when you look at that person who got that job over you and you feeling a way about it and you're saying, oh, they didn't deserve it. Oh, they didn't do this. They didn't do that. They did blah, blah, blah. What are you putting out? Lack. What are you getting back? Lack. So instead, when you say, all right, I wish you more promotions. I wish you more moments in life where you are just thrilled beyond measure, where you are so excited for what's coming next. I wish you more deeper relationships, more sturdy, solid people that are coming into your life that help you expand in ways that you didn't even realize. Why? Because you're wishing it for yourself as well. So how beautiful is that now? To where not only are you the jealousy and envy, jealousy and envy. See, I can't even say it no more because it's so gone out of my experience. But the jealousy and envy is just it falls away. Why? Because I'm too busy wishing you all these beautiful things, and I'm happy for you because I'm wishing you well, And then I realized that the fact that I'm wishing you well, I'm wishing myself well, and now we're both winning. What I got to be mad for if I'm winning too? And I've done this for so long, and I've done this so much that at this point, I can honestly say that I am filled with so much joy and so much excitement when I see people winning, because now I'm to the point where I'm just like, oh my God, I know how that feels. That feels so amazing, and I'm so excited for them. I know what that's like, and man, is it beautiful. And I wish you more. It's exactly what I prayed for. I said, God, I just want to genuinely be happy for people when I see them winning. And God was like, all right, bet. But after that, when I started seeing people winning and started wishing them to win more, is when I started winning. I wish you more. I wish you all of the beautiful, wonderful things that life has in store for you. I wish you the moments, the many moments where you sit back and you're like, wow, God, I prayed for this, and it's right here. I wish you more of those beautiful moments where you are just brought to tears because you are so excited. You are so happy that you accomplished those things that you wanted. I wish you so much love from family, from friends, from spouses, from future spouses, just all of the beautiful, wonderful things that life has in store for you, because it is already yours. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, stay empowered, and stay beautiful.